In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in GoCharting. Changing the theme is a quick way to make your workspace more comfortable and easier on the eyes, whether you're working in a bright room or trading late at night. In GoCharting, the control you need is right on the chart itself, so you won't have to dig through menus. First, look to the bottom toolbar of your chart. This is the slim bar that runs along the bottom edge of the interface and holds a range of quick-access icons. Among those icons, you'll find the theme chooser, often represented by a small artist's palette. If you hover your mouse over the icons on desktop, you'll see tooltips that help identify each one. Look for the one labeled Theme or the palette symbol. On touch devices, a light tap on the bottom toolbar icons will reveal the same labels, helping you confirm you've found the right control. Once you've located that palette icon, use it to switch between light and dark modes. A single click or tap applies the change immediately. You'll notice the background, grid, and panel tones invert accordingly, while your chart data, drawings, and indicators remain intact. This is a visual change only, not a modification to your analysis. If you prefer bright, high-contrast visuals for screenshots, printing, or daytime viewing, light mode is often the clearer choice. If you're in a dim environment or want to reduce glare, dark mode provides a more relaxed backdrop, helping your eyes stay comfortable during longer sessions. After switching, scan your chart for a moment to confirm everything looks right. Candlestick or bar colors will still be yours, but the surrounding canvas will now match the selected theme, which can subtly influence how quickly you read price action. If you decide you want to revert, just click the same palette icon again and pick the other option. It's that fast. No confirmation boxes and no need to reconfigure your workspace. A couple of practical notes as you get used to this control. The theme switch applies instantly to the current charting view, keeping your workflow smooth. Because the icon lives on the bottom toolbar, it's always close by if you need to swap for a presentation, a recording, or a change in lighting. If the bottom toolbar looks crowded on smaller screens, take a second to glance along the row. The palette icon will still be there, ready when you need it. That's all it takes. Find the palette icon on the bottom toolbar and use it to toggle between light and dark. Simple, fast, and easy on the eyes.